What we're looking at today is what we would call the prefabricated penthouse. This is part of the new BJC hospital at the corner of Forest Park Parkway and Kings Highway. It's a mechanical penthouse, so it encloses all of the mechanical equipment that serves the hospital.
In this roof penthouse, you have air handlers serving the building. You have the main chiller plant, the main boiler plant. The generator exhaust is up here.
Cooling towers, fans.
All the main electrical power is up here. All of the big mechanical services that are keeping this building running are located on this roof. What's especially unique about this building is all of the equipment was lifted up to the roof before the structure was in place, and then the building was built around it.
Which is actually the opposite or reverse of what would typically be done in a building. Normally you'd have the steel erected, then you bring the equipment in.
So where you see all these pipe racks down through here, they were sitting on the floor before the building was built around it, then hoisted up to the steel to be in their final spot. The challenges we faced on this project were pretty much building things that could be lifted by the crane based on the capacities allowable, and as well as the size of equipment chunks we could fit on a truck. So nothing could be too tall that it couldn't be driven across the road, or couldn't be too heavy that the crane couldn't pick it up.
The chillers alone, there's 4 of them, and they're 40,000 pounds each, plus cooling towers. You got another probably 40 or 50,000 pounds there. By the time you looked at all the piping and everything that's up here, you're easily over 1 million pounds. Icon hired the structural engineer, which is OES, to assist us in the layout of the penthouse itself. We give him the weights on these pump modules. We give him the weights on the chillers. The whole team, which was HOK, ACW, who's the prime general contractor, Saks, Icon, we all worked in unison through several months of design meetings, working through the details. It was that collaboration. Not any one of us could have done it alone. It was the collaborative effort that really made what you see around us possible.